Hey math kids, we're in section 4.BA, compound events, and we're just going to start right into it. So this time we have a soccer team, and we have player 1 who ended the season with 30 goals. I don't know why I wrote that. Okay, goals. And then we have player 2 who ended the season with 60 assists. Okay. It says if the probability of player 1 scoring on a play where player 2 had an assist is 33%, how many such goals were there? So what we have to figure out, so one more time, if the probability that player 1, so probability that player 1 scores when player 2 has an assist is 33%, how many such goals were there? Well, all we need to do is take this 33%, apply it to the goals, and so we do 33% times 30, which you might already know what that is. Which is 9.9 or 10 goals. Okay. Now, if you're ever confused on whether this 33% should go here or here, just look at the ending units. So it asked how many such goals. So since it's talking about the goals, if we take a third of these goals, we still have the unit of goals. Now, if we took a third of the 60, the units would be assists. So if you're ever having trouble with that, just try to use the units to tell you where to go with that. Okay, Tim randomly picks a ball from a bowl containing 7 red balls and 5 green. Jack selects a second ball without replacing the first. The first ball is red. What is the probability that the second is blue? Okay, so since we pulled out a red first, we're going to reduce the reds by 1 because he doesn't replace it. So now there's 6 red, 5 green, and we want to know the probability that the next one's going to be blue, or not blue, sorry, green. Probability of blue would be 0 because there's no blue. Okay. The second one is green, is what we want. So there's 5 out of the total, which is 11 now because we reduced that total. And so the probability would be 5 over 11, or about 45%. Okay?